Your girls don't go to college.
No. They know how to use 39 wrench sizes on a truck chassis and 38 kung fu moves. What else does a girl need to know? Brandy likes science stuff. Nancy goes to night school. And Tracy reads a lot and listens to Coast to Coast. My girls are not stupid. And they have a business. That and letting guys chase them is enough education for life. Now that Wilfred and I are retired, I would like to take them to Shanghai, but they have to be at the business every day. Nyan! Wind! Wait a minute. I sense something. Girls, I have the feeling there's a problem coming. Need the sisterhood? Maybe.
Shanghai sisters sizzle through our lives. Sisterhood of friends watching for each other. Full of faith in friends that help friends.